In the English subject, you learn about phrases and sentences. Mathematics has also mathematical phrases and sentences. You have to translate verbal phrases to mathematical symbol to form mathematical phrases. Mathematical phrases consist of operational symbols, variables, and numbers. What mathematical symbols did you know already? Why is it important? How will you translate verbal into mathematical phrases and vice versa? To answer this, join me in exploring algebraic expression. Mathematical word problems cannot be solved unless you translate it into symbols. Symbols used for operations are called operational symbols, while the symbol used to determine relations between quantities are called relational symbols. Can you cite some example of operational and relational symbols? Great! Here are some basic symbols. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase which does not express a complete thought. Otherwise, it will become an equation. Algebraic expression can be a number, a single variable, a combination of letters, numbers, and operational symbols. Let's take a look at this example. Translate verbal phrase into mathematical symbols. Example number 1. Write the sum of 5 and a number. Solution. Let x be the number. Sum of 5 and number written as quantity of 5 plus x. Thrice means 3 times. The mathematical phrase is 3 times quantity of 5 plus x. Example number 2. 1/2 the square root of twice the square of the number. Solution. Let y be the number. Twice the square of the number is written as 2 quantity of y squared equal to 2y squared. Square root of 2y squared is written as radicand of 2y squared. Example number 3. Translate 2x minus 5 to verbal phrase. Solution. 2x means twice a number. We have two possible verbal phrase. First is twice a number decreased by 5. And the second is subtract 5 from twice a number. Algebraic expressions are named according to number of terms. A. Monomial is an algebraic expression with one term. B. Binomial is an algebraic expression with two terms. And C. Trinomial is an algebraic expression with three terms. And for last, we have D. Multinomial or polynomial is an algebraic expression with more than three terms. Terms in algebraic expression are separated by plus or minus. The degree of an algebraic expression is the highest exponent of A. In the expression with one variable of the highest sum of exponent of the variables in the term, the expressions. The constant of the algebraic expression is a number with fixed value. A variable is a letter which represents a number. Let us study the following example. Number 1. 5x to the 4th power minus 3x plus 12. It has three terms, namely 5x to the 4th power, 3x, and 12. The terms are being separated by the symbols plus and minus sign. Therefore, it is a trinomial. The degree of expression is 4, which is the highest exponent. The variable is x and the constant is 12. Example number 2. 3x squared yz plus x cubed yz squared minus 2x yz plus 4x y squared z. So this is a multinomial or polynomial having 4 terms with variables x, y, and z. The highest sum of the exponent is 6, which is on the second term. Hence, the degree is 6 and there is no constant in this expression. Are you now ready for some algebraic expressions? Let us apply what we have learned in this lesson. Match the verbal phrase in column A with mathematical phrase in column B. Get ready with your pen and paper. Please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Math Cycle, like the videos, and hit the bell button for updates. I hope you learned in today's lesson. On the next episode, we will investigate the rules of adding and subtracting polynomials. This is Ma'am Ira Miguel and David, your math teacher. See you all next time!